Grab is executive of the start on 2012 by Anthony Tan and Van Hoyt. Bluebird is the first transportation company in Indonesia. This company started in 1972 by Pia Joko.
In 2016 until 2017, Grab provide Grab Chat, make it easy to pick up passengers and driver without spending credit. Then Grab Pay. This innovation used to not tax payment. Then Grab Reward. With this feature, you will soon be able to all Grab users. Next innovation is Grab Food, used to deliver food or drink. Next, Grab School, used to pick up children from school to home or from home to school. Next is Grab Gerak. Grab Gerak provides support person with disability to move and gain more access. Financial. As such, the service is an integrated financial service milestone for user and driver.
Bluebird innovation in 1972 until 1993. Quarterbird is taxi can with tourists and machinery. Bigbird is transportation used for holiday. Ironbird is provide to deliver goods like Tiki, DNA. Silverbird is bigger than Quarterbird and maximum 6 passenger.
Okay, well, I will continue to tell you about the innovations of Bluebird. In 2016, Bluebird improved their innovations by giving scholarships for the driver's children. And in 2017, Bluebird improved their innovations by implementing the applications of Bluebird, named it Easy Ride. Okay, so what is the comparisons of Grab and Bluebird? The first, Grab services are more than Bluebird. The second, Grab be more transparent than Bluebird. The third, payment method. Grab use the card, the cash, auto, and Bluebird use the cash and also the credit card. The fourth, Grab Reserve and also the Bluebird Reserve. That is the difference. The Bluebird Reserve we can reserve for the next trip, and Grab we cannot do that. And the fifth, Grab give them more welfare for the customer, and Bluebird give them more welfare for the driver. So the conclusion is, after we know all the innovations of Grab and Bluebird, we also know that the innovations of Grab more than innovations of Bluebird. And do you know, by this innovation, Grab is a startup company, and now Grab is one of the decathlon that still increase their innovation. In our idea engineering for the innovations of Bluebird, we want to add the identification card for the passengers, and formerly there is no this innovation.
And our innovation for Grab is a motorcycle with umbrella. This innovation provides comfort of passenger when hot and rainy.